Attorney General, Professor Githu, to continue the questions.
Thank you.
Raphael Msaga Mbogoli wa miaka 63 na uria utungatite ta mucirithania guku bururi-ini kwa miaka 29 niwe wa keri gukinya mbere ya kamiti ya magoti JSC akienda kuyukia wira wa mucirithania munene. Mbogoli akauga gucirithirio gutuo kwa macira matiganite ni umwe wa undu uria ukoretwo ukihingica gukinyanira gwa kihoto, na akauga ucio ni undu umwe uria ekung'ethanira naguo o uria kwahoteka.
I think that perception will be removed by making sure that we meet our expectations openly, timely and fairly.
Mbogoli ningi augite agakorwo eharire gutungatira muingi na bururi hindi o yothe hatari gwethwo muno.
And there is also a lot of perception in corruption. As we talk now, if you are to look back 3 years down the line, you will not count more than 10 judicial officers who have been prosecuted.
No ona kuri uguo, Mbogoli augite ndagiagarara kihoto kia mwikwirwo o wothe tondu ti ekwirwo othe makoragwo na mahitia thutha wa kurika gwa cira.
We should be in a position to justify the integrity of the rulings and judgments that come from our courts.
Mutaratara ucio wa gwetha mucirithania munene no urathie na mbere, na mucirithania David Maraga niwe ugakorwo giti-ini kihiu wa gatatu. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.